Make $100 every single day for free. This is a new method to make money online in 2021. How can it be done? Stay tuned and you will find out. In this video, I will show you a full step-by-step tutorial on how to set up this amazing income method. So make sure to pay attention to every second of the video because I will drop some hidden tips and tricks that you can use this method with to maximize your earnings. However, make sure that you guys follow each and every step of the video to know that you're using this method correctly, because if you just go ahead and skip to the end, you might miss some important instructions and you might not make any money at all and end up only wasting your time. So make sure to pay attention to each and every second of the video to start generating a passive income. This method works worldwide, so no matter where you are watching from right now, you will be able to use this method to generate an income online. In this video, I will show you how a free platform we've never covered before, it can pay up to $100 for less than a day's worth of work. And you may do it as many times as you can. But first, hello and welcome to EarnPal, where we teach you how to make money online every single day. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can be notified whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online. Please give this video a big thumbs up and leave us a comment down below. We reply to every one of our viewers. Now let's get back into it. So this is the brand new platform that I'd like to introduce to you today. It's a marketplace where people can sell their designs for hundreds of dollars. Most of them are valued around $100, but others are far more valuable, such as this one, which is worth $500. This one is $1,800 and so on and so forth. People are undoubtedly making a lot of money by selling their designs or trademarks on this website. So in this video, I will show you evidence on how you can start to develop simple designs in less than a minute using a completely free web tool. You will not need any prior experience, you won't need any photo design skills or sophisticated software. This method is beginner friendly and without having to spend any money because it's all free. And in this video, I will show you exactly how it works. So the website where people are actually selling their designs and earning hundreds of dollars in pure passive revenue every single day is called BrandCrowd. Here's how it works. It's as simple as 1, 2, 3 to make money using this platform. In order to join, you first have to apply. Second, you simply submit your logos for review, and finally, you will be compensated for each approved logo. As a result, you will merely leave your design there, and you don't have to sell it because the website is going to do it for you, and that will generate a healthy passive income for you. In other words, BrandCrowd offers you a way to earn money while you sleep. The great part is that it's completely free, so all of these people simply offer their designs for sale up here, upload the designs and select a price. Assume, for example, that this individual is selling his design for $500 and intends to leave it at that price. BrandCrowd will promote the design for him along with all of the other ones. On the other side, business owners, entrepreneurs, or anyone else in need of a logo or brand design will come here to this website, go through all of these options and select the finest one that they like and then purchase it. Your creations can be sold for as little as $100. You can sell it for more than $100, but in order to get the most sales and the quickest ones, I strongly advise you to put it at the price of $100. And the best part is that you don't actually have to do anything. Simply upload as many designs as you can and you'll have a far better chance of earning more passive income. Whatever you do, it will generate passive money for you every single time someone buys one of your designs from BrandCrowd. And as you can see, some designs are genuinely worth hundreds of dollars, even $500 or up to $1,000 and so on. Now, before I show you proof of how you can make a new logo in under a minute for free without any experience, I want to show you how you can get started selling these designs. So you'll have to go to BrandCrowd, which I'll link in the video description below. And that will send you to this page, where they will explain in greater detail how BrandCrowd works. You can also see their commonly asked questions, which can provide you more information on how the selling process works. After you've finished reading this, simply click Join Now to sign up for free. And after signing up, you must move to the platform that will produce these logos for you. But wait, before I tell you what platform that is, I'd like to remind you that we have more videos on our channel about how to make money online. And the goal of EarnPal is to teach you how to generate an online passive income stream to reach financial freedom. I put a lot of time and effort into researching these videos to ensure that each one of the methods work, so I would really appreciate it if you guys go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell, and also don't forget to like and leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. The next website I'm gonna show you is called Canva.com. It is the name of that platform. Canva will assist us in making hundreds of dollars with BrandCrowd.com. Now that you've arrived at Canva.com, you must sign up by clicking the sign up button right here on the top. And keep in mind that they do have certain price levels, but you don't have to pay anything. You can simply use their free account and still make money with this method because it allows you to produce logos for free. The sign up process will not take you any longer than 60 seconds. And once you've joined up, I want you to click on the logo right here, which will take you to this website with a variety of logo templates for you to utilize. As you can see here, the majority of these designs are very similar to those sold on BrandCrowd.com. When comparing these designs, which sell for hundreds of dollars on BrandCrowd, to the designs on Canva, I must say that these appear far superior in my opinion. The question now is how to generate these logo designs. It's as simple as this. First, you must locate a perfect template that you personally prefer. For example, if I want to use this one, all I have to do is click on it. The great aspect is that it is completely customizable. Now I can modify literally anything and experiment with various designs. And that's what I recommend you do since it's the best way to earn. So for example, let's pretend my brand name is EarnPal. After that, I'll be able to replace this icon, and I even have the ability to adjust the colors. I can basically change everything that you see in your screen right now. If I wish to add more elements, I can do so on the left-hand side. I have the option of selecting all of these distinct elements, and I can personalize them. I have the ability to change their colors, and I can shift the shapes, sizes, and so on. It's quite basic and straightforward. If I want to add this one, for example, I just click on it, and it will load it here on the website. I can also adjust the colors, which I can do right here. You now understand how this works and how easy it is to create designs with Canva. Now, as I promised, I will show you a bonus tip, which is a real-world example of how you may earn $100 in less than 1 minute of effort. I'll demonstrate how to do it, and this design will be used as an example. It's a relatively straightforward one. It's a dog symbol with the text logo text here and slogan here. So let me show you how you can do the same, and you can basically do it indefinitely. So I will search the term dog on the left side, then select this template because it appears very close to that design. Modify this to logo text and leave the color how it already is. I will also modify this to a slogan here. I'll also update the background color to something that matches the overall concept. I can make this smaller if I want to, but it looks great as is. And now I can simply download it to my computer or phone by clicking on the download button at the top of the page. And that's all there is to it. That is truly less than 1 minute, and now I might be able to sell it for $100. As you can see, so you just witnessed actual proof of me creating this type of design in under 1 minute. And I'm a beginner, I'm not a photo editor or anything. And that just gives you an idea of how powerful this free tool is. You may make as many designs as you want, list them for sale on BrandCrowd or any other website where you can sell your designs and earn passive revenue. And you can simply perform the same 1 minute process over and over again to earn money with BrandCrowd.com or other platforms. It's not gonna make you rich, and it's not a long-term internet business, but it's a terrific side hustle, and you just witnessed how it takes less than 1 minute to possibly earn $100 or even more. And that is precisely how you can start earning $100 every day or even more. And that brings us to the end of the video. Before we go, please subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell to be updated whenever we post new content. Don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment down below. And as always, I'll see you guys tomorrow for a new video. Take care.